Hey guys, welcome. Today I'll be unboxing the Innersetting Ulanzi Handheld Gimbal for smartphone, action camera and GoPro. But before that, here's a quick shout out to our sponsor Shop Store for all your needs. Shop Store brings you a whole range of best deals products. From fashion to electronics, whatever you are looking for, you can find it in Shop Store. Click the link in the description to check them out. Now let's start unboxing. The gimbal is from a company known as Innersetting. You can find their products at Amazon. This gimbal cost only Rs 745, that is around $10 US. The packaging is simple, nothing to be excited about. This is the gimbal, nothing else in the package, only the gimbal. This is really simple to set up. Just screw them together and done, that's the gimbal. In the gimbal there's only one button. When you press it, you will be able to adjust the head of the gimbal for a little bit of movement. This looks more like a smartphone holder than a gimbal. Well, let's put this to a test. This is the video using the gimbal. It's kinda smooth, good grip so it doesn't move too much. For a better footage you will need to do ninja walk. It's easy to move around like left, right, up and down. Panning. This is the video shot handheld. As you can clearly see the difference. The gimbal video is much smoother and easy to walk around and shoot. Like I said before, it's more of a smartphone holder than a gimbal, but it does make your footage smoother comparing to handheld. A little handy gadgets every smartphone photographer and videographer can get benefit. And the best part is the price. It is really cheap. Well, this is it for this video, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.